Do you wonder how to make succulents change color while keeping them healthy and happy at the same time? The technique is to slowly introduce stress. Exposing succulents to a lot of stress when they are not yet ready can damage them. But when they are well acclimated, they'll reward you with their beautiful vibrant colors that will surely brighten up your garden. This video is brought to you by Chopstick and Succulents Gardening Tools, the tweezers for succulents and the gardening scissors. They are available on Amazon USA and Shopee Philippines. Succulents are drought-resistant plants with chunky leaves. Their fleshy leaves can store water. That's why, compared to other plants, they can survive in challenging locations. Succulent plants are beautiful. They have unique shapes, colors, and textures. Many of them look like flowers with their rosette-forming leaves. They are even more beautiful when they change colors. Let me show you the beauty of colorful succulents. What causes them to change color? It's the pigment. You see, there are plant pigments that protect them from damages due to environmental extremes, like heat, cold, light, and even lack of water. These environmental conditions are stressful for the plants, and when they are not ready, they can get damaged or can even die. But when they're ready and these pigments are present and abundant, they can survive and become even more beautiful. You'll then see them displaying their vibrant colors. To grow colorful succulent plants that are healthy and happy, prevent them from getting damaged when exposed to stressful conditions by allowing them to slowly adjust. For example, when the plants have been grown in the shade and you expose them to the full sun, do not do it abruptly. Rather, slowly increase their exposure until they can tolerate the prolonged heat. The same is true with your watering. You slowly adjust your watering, and when you combine it with full sun exposure, you'll soon achieve the colorful result. And to mimic the desert-like location, you need to amend the soil and make it fast draining for the plants to experience drought as you adjust your watering. But keep in mind that not all succulents will become colorful when exposed to these environmental stressors. Some succulents are more beautiful when green and prefer low light to full sun. Also, warm yet humid locations are challenging for succulents, and they are less likely to change colors in these areas. So, how will you know if you too can grow colorful succulents, especially when the ones you're growing are mostly green? Well, if you see colorful succulents growing in your area, most probably you can grow these colorful ones too. You just need to know which ones can become colorful with stress. Crassulas, Aeoniums, and Echeverias are often the ones that can become so colorful. And if you're having a hard time identifying these plants, I have a succulent identification PDF for you to download for free. The link is in the description below. So again, how do you grow colorful succulents and keep them healthy and happy at the same time? You do it by slowly exposing them to stress. The prolonged heat, drought, and cold temperatures causes stress to the plants. And when they're not ready to be exposed, they can get damaged or even die. But luckily, succulents have pigments that protect them from these stressful conditions. But you need to give them enough time to get activated to protect them. So by slowly transitioning them to the full sun and slowly adjusting your watering, combined with the right soil mixture, you'll slowly make them become colorful, yet remain chunky and healthy at the same time. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Take care, everyone!